My name is Arjun and I am from Pondicherry. Currently, I am working at Marriott Bangalore Renaissance, and previously I worked in Park at Chennai. And I am a chef. I am a professional chef, and I did schooling in Kalapat and central government school. It's a CBSE, and I did my 10th and 12th. My hobbies are playing volleyball and cricket, and I'm basically from coastal area. And my family, my father name is Chinnadurai, and my mother name is Angalamma. And my mother is housewife, and father is a fisherman. I like to study with my friend. His name is called Muhammad Ashik, and we both studied together and we worked together because we were close friends, and we both are having similar mentality towards the study and the perspective about the society. So we both combined together and we used to study, and finally we get the job, and we both working now together. Basically, I'm from a I used to study culinary books. Why? Because it's my I'm the professional chef, and I used to work with other chefs, so I need to have much knowledge. So I'll study lot about the culinary methods and cooking techniques, so it will enhance my work and do give some practical knowledge and theoretical knowledge towards my work. I have a lot of time after finishing my work, and during the work also between the work time, I'll have a little time to study to develop my knowledge. According to me, in my opinion, both are important. Why? Because um, the things which I'm studying, which is help people who are around me, helping me to do the exam and get into career with the theoretical knowledge. These people are helping, and when it's coming to work, my seniors and colleagues were helping me to learn the cooking. So both are important. The place I visited, um, it was much interested place, and which is quite often every people to go to there and pray the god, because it's an beautiful place which is located in Kerala, and it's a Ayyappan temple. I like to go there because my father teaches guided me to take how to pray the god and how to respect the god, and guided me to take to Ayyappan temple. Why? Because it's not easy to go there. It is available only once in a year. So um, we have to be in similar setup situation, and we should make ourselves to uh, prepare to visit the god. When we are going to this tour, it's a devotional type of tour, and we used to go there, and there we have to wait for it at least 6 hours to 6 hours to see the god. Why? Because lot of crowd and more people came from different location, so it's not quite easy to see the god very easily. So we have to stand in the queues, and we have to go and see see the god in the queue only, and they will give you very limited time, though even though it was too much difficult and which gives lot of pain. The only thing is which it gives peaceful mind and make us happy, and someone is there for every problem. So this willingness given by the god, so it was the most fantastic place and for me. In my country, there are many places and many attraction areas and location available. Particularly in my area, Pondicherry, it's a French colony and French peoples live there, so it's a heritage town where we can many people can visit here. And around us, Tiruvannamalai, it's a big temple and which located in top of the mountain. It also a beautiful place to pray the God. And Agra, in Agra, Taj Mahal, and Red Fort in Hyderabad, and Senji Fort. It's located in Senji near Dindigul. Like many places are available in our. Younger people are most interested, and they used to visit a place like which give the place it should give a interest and gives them pleasure. But old people used to visit the places which gives um, or which says about the historical ancient peoples and ancient things which are used by the ancestors, and which now we are just getting to know about the equipments which are not we are using currently today. But when it's come to younger peoples, these peoples are only interested in joyful things and interesting areas like beach and park, and like PlayStation zones which makes the entertainment peoples and nighttime at the parties and pubs, etc. It should be done freely. Why? Because um, many stories should be uh, available should available the people to visit freely. Why? Because it is our respect towards the ancestors, and we should give this one freely to every people, and every people should get the knowledge about the available about the ancestors.